Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up the original config files so you can revert if needed. Copy user data and game user settings. Init to a safe folder. Once done, enable hidden file viewing on your device or PC and mount the game directory. This lets you see CFG and profile folders. Make sure you have a reliable text editor and unzip tools installed. You'll need them to open compressed archives and edit plain text without corrupting formatting. Proceed only when backups are confirmed. You now edit the values that actually change gameplay: sensitivity, DPI mapping, and aim assist parameters in both in-game settings and the config files. Once you open the config, change resolution, frame rate limit, and render scale to match device capabilities. This reduces stutter and thermal throttling. After each small edit, save and launch the game to test. Don't apply large jumps. If input feels off, revert to the backup and adjust in smaller increments until movement and hit registration feel consistent. You finish by importing any shared profiles carefully. Place them in the correct folder and name them with version tags so you know what changed. Once files are in place, clear game cache and restart your device to ensure settings load cleanly. Also verify file permissions so the game can read the configs. If something goes wrong, restore the backup immediately and test. One key troubleshooting tip: if settings are ignored, check for anti-cheat or cloud sync overwrites and disable cloud sync before reapplying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.